Animation can be defined as a process or a tool of bringing life to characters and sketches. It's an optical illusion wherein the character or the images need to be moved for getting into a storyline. It's an art form, I would say, and animation brings life into inanimate objects. It has been there for quite some time and is going to increase as more and more there is demand for new kind of creativity as such in this field. Basically, animators are people who are having the skills of innovation and creativity. So job prospects are there in the field of advertising, even in the field of educational institute, in CDs and new way of teaching people. We brought it in houses, studios, as well as something like data communication, gaming industry, mobile industry. So these are the job prospects for an animator. If you have a flair for drawing, sketching, you have good imaginative ability and also a high psychomotor ability, you can get into the field of animation. A lot of patience is definitely required in the field, but the biggest asset is sketching and drawing and imagining new characters and storylines. Definitely there are for an animation is an open field. It is open for people who are with lot of imagination. Age has nothing to do with it, neither formal education. Yes, definitely there are courses after your SSC, HSC, as well as during your graduation and after your graduation also. A lot of private institutes do take up these courses. There are a lot of institutes also which give these courses, like the National Institute of Design. After 12th standard you could get into the graduate program of designing per se and specialize into animation. But the biggest, the content is definitely wherein the content revolves around making new characters and how to put your story and the entire technique of creating an entire animation as such. Courses, luckily as an animator you can start at any age level without any formal education background also, but the biggest asset which you should be having is creativity and imagination with you. When it comes after 10th standard or after 12th standard, most of the programs are in the form of certificate and diploma courses. But if you would like to get into the graduate part of it, there is entrance exam, like the National Institute of Design has something called as the NEED. That unless you clear that entrance exam, you won't be able to get through it. Similarly, at the master's level, at the MSc level, also there are entrance exams. So if you are planning to get into a private kind of an institution, there wouldn't be any entrance exam. But definitely if you are getting into good institutes or universities, there would be entrance exam which is after standard 12th and even after graduation. Selection process is you have to clear the entrance exam. There is no group discussion as such, but the entrance exam and there could be a personal interview. Some of the institutes do conduct group discussion also. Again, I'm repeating, it is for the bachelor's and master's level program. If it is for a certificate or a diploma program, there is no entrance exam. Private institutes can be like Arena Multimedia or a Maya or something like Editoon kind of institutes or Graffiti kind of institutes, or it could be the National Institute of Design, wherein these courses, or institutes which are also providing BFA, wherein they have started as animation as one of the specialization also. So after 12th standard, if you're planning to get into a BFA and then specialize into animation, those institutes could be giving this course. Basically, when you start getting into animation, you need to be a creative person. What you tend to learn later on could be clay modeling, 2D and 3D animation, and definitely with the growing technologies to be into the field of animation, you need continuous upgradation. But the basic could be the 2D and the 3D modeling which you need to learn. A lot of students would like to get into